Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing the October Boxycharm unboxing and try on. If I'm a little quiet in this video, it's because my mom and boyfriend are in the living room watching a football game, and it's kind of weird to film when people are home, so I might be just like a little quiet, so I'm sorry about that. I really wanted to film today so I can get this video up as soon as possible. So yeah, I've already opened it. I already know what I got because I wanted to make sure that I put on whatever makeup I needed to first. So let's just get into the unboxing. So this month's theme is Alter Ego, and on the back you get a 10% off coupon for IT Cosmetics on your next purchase. So that's the code if you're interested. And I got variation number 1 if you're curious. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So, and this retails for $24. The next thing that I got in my box is the Dermovia, I think I'm saying that right, Lace Appeal peel off mask, and this retails for $30, and you get 2 lace masks in this. So the next thing that I got in my box is the Green Clean Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It's just one of those balm type cleansers that you at the end of the day you just take a little bit and you rub it on your dry face with your makeup on, and it melts away the makeup. It smells really good too. This retails for $22. And the next thing in the box is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade Lolita. And this retails for $20. The last thing in the box is in bubble wrap, and it's from Pure Cosmetics. It's the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face and Eye Palette, and this retails for $38. So this is what the palette looks like, or the outside of the palette. This is the back, and it is a double-sided palette, so this is what the inside looks like. So it's like glaring because of the sun. So those are the colors. You get 3 blushes, a highlight, and then you get 6 eyeshadows. There's only 1 matte and the rest are shimmers. So, and these do smell like the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, or like the Tarte Cosmetics like eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that, how it kind of smells like chocolate in a way. So that does smell really good. So I took the plastic off so you can see it better. Those are the shades. Since there is only 1 matte, I did just put a really light brown in my crease, since this brown, gosh, it's glaring. Since that brown is pretty dark, I wanted to start off with something light, but I'm actually going to start with the blushes, I think. Oh yeah, and if you hear like screaming and like yelling and clapping in the background, it's because, like I said, they're watching the Seahawks football game out in the living room, so that's just what that noise is in the background. But I think I'm going to go into this blush right here. It's called Enchantment. I'm just going to lightly go in. I heard that these are pretty pigmented, so, and this palette does have that little mirror in it, so I'm just going to use that. Is that even showing up? I don't think I picked up enough. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my other mirror. Maybe I'm going to go into this pink shade called Hidden Secret. Okay, so that one is really pigmented, so if you go into this pink one, be really careful because it is very pigmented. I'm just going to take my powder brush and just try and blend that out. Oh my god, that is so bright. Okay, so these blushes are pretty pigmented, so I would just be really careful when you're using them. I just ended up mixing this pink shade in the like more light tan bronzy shade. I just mixed them together. I tried to tone it down on camera. It's showing up more bright. I'm not really sure how I feel about the blushes because they are super pigmented. I think I just went in with too much, so next time when I use this I will use a light hand. But now I'm going to go into the highlighting shade, which is called Twilight. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, so the highlight in this palette is gorgeous. It is super pretty, so I love that. So now I'm going to use the eyeshadow side. I'm not sure what type of look I want to go for today, but I'm just going to start off with the brown shade, which is called Sneak Peek. So this brown shade does look pretty pigmented, so I'm gonna go in with just a little bit this time. So it might look a little patchy right here, but that's not the eyeshadow for some reason. Like right on this spot on my eye, it never likes to like hold pigment for some reason, so if it looks a little patchy, that's just my eye, and because it looks like that with any eyeshadow I use. So but this is a really pretty color. Okay, so now that that's blended out in the outer corner and like in the crease, I'm not sure what shade I want to take for the lid. So I'm going to take this green shade, which is called Mask Off, and I'm going to wet my brush because I always do that with any eyeshadow, so that's just what I do. Wow, that's super pretty. That's a really pretty greenish yellow gold shade. I'm just gonna take that same brush I used for the brown shade and blend out the edges. This blush is looking crazy on camera. I promise it does not look like this bright in person, so just ignore that. That shade is so pretty. I love that green. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then I will come back to do the lower lash line and maybe play with the other colors, so I will be right back. Okay, so now that the other eye is done, I want to move on to the lower lash line, and but before I get into the colors, I'm just going to take a little bit of that same brown that's in the palette called Sneak Peek and just put that on the lower lash line just a little bit. Okay, so I really want to use this. I really want to go into the purple shade, which is called Disguise. Take a little domed smudger brush, and I don't think I'm gonna wet this one just because it's going on the lower lash line. Sorry, it's really hard to see what I'm doing, so I don't know if you can see the purple or not. It's really pretty. So I don't know how well you can see the purple on the lower lash line, but it's really pretty. So, but I'm just gonna take a little brush and go back into that the highlight shade and highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Oh yeah, that's a really nice inner corner highlight. So that's what the eyeshadows look like, or at least the ones that I used. They're really pigmented and super creamy, so I'm really happy that I now have this palette, and I can't wait to play around with the other shades in maybe a future video if you guys would like to see that, or just let me know in the comments down below. So now onto the mascara that's in the box. Every time I do my makeup, I always use fake eyelashes, but I usually do put mascara on before I put on fake eyelashes, so I'm still going to be trying this, but my lashes are really short and they always fall flat, so I'll probably still end up using fake lashes. So that's what the wand looks like. It looks like it'll be a really good mascara, so, and if I end up not liking it, I will just give it to my mom because she wears mascara. So, but yeah, I'm actually gonna just curl my eyelashes really quick. Okay, so now onto the mascara. Let's try this out. So for one, this mascara is like really, like, the formula is really wet, so I don't know if you can see, but my eyelashes are pretty clumped together already. I don't know if you can see that. I'll look up. So far, I'm not really liking it because, like I said, I always just use or wear fake eyelashes anyways, and I don't have naturally like good lashes, so mascara tends to just not look good anyways. So, but yeah, it's like clumping together and it's like really wet, so I'll put this on the other eye, and then I'm just going to put on fake lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I did put the superhero mascara on my lower lash line, or on my lower lashes, and they look pretty good on the lower lashes, but I don't think I will be using this mascara. I just don't personally like it, and I wear fake eyelashes when I do my makeup anyways, so I'll probably just give this to my mom because she wears mascara every day for work. So the last thing that I will be trying on is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Now I will say I don't like her, and I don't really support her, and that's all I'm really gonna say about that. That's it. But this is a super pretty color, so, and like I said, it's in the shade Lolita. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a really pretty like plum brown color. I'm not sure how to describe it. I'm not very good at describing colors, so I'm just going to put this on. There's no like scent to it, so that's nice. That's a really pretty color. Now I do want to just say that I like to kind of like overline my top lip because my top lip is kind of uneven and I like to make it look a little more plump, so that's why I kind of go a little wider on the top. But this is a really pretty color. I think it's perfect for fall. It's like a muted plum red brown. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but it's super pretty. I will be definitely wearing this in the fall, but like I said, I don't like Kat Von D and I don't really want to support her brand, but this is a super pretty color. So yeah, that's what everything looks like. That's what the eyes look like. If you see some eyelash glue, is probably still drying, so just ignore that. So yeah, this is what everything looks like. I really like this month's Boxycharm. I really love this. I really love the palette. It's super pretty. Just be warned, the blushes are super pigmented, and the eyeshadows are really pretty, and I can't wait to play with like the blue shade and all the other colors. So the highlight in the palette is super pretty too. I think the only thing that I didn't like is the mascara because like I said, I wear fake lashes anyways, so I will have to try out the lace peel off mask a different time, and I think tonight when I take off my makeup I'm going to try the Melt Away cleansing balm to take off my makeup, so I will keep you posted on my Instagram about this. So if you want to see what I think about this, you should follow me on Instagram. It's at Savannah Marie Laurent, and I always link it in my description box. So that was October's Boxycharm. I really liked it. Let me know in the comments below what variation you got and which product you got, and I would love to know what color of the lipstick you got. So yeah, if you liked the unboxing and try on, please give it a like, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.